Hello, and thank you for your interest in Caruso Middle School's Dear Edwina online edition. This is a tutorial video showing you how to purchase your online ticket for our virtual production. When you arrive, you'll be able to click Purchase and make sure you select the correct date and time that you're interested in. We have 3 performances for this show. I'm going to click on the top one, which is Friday, March 12th at 7 o'clock. And you will notice that only one option for a ticket price pops up, and that is our single device ticket, which is $12. This is a little bit different this year because we are not in the theater. We know that many families will be watching the show together in the comfort of their own home. If you are going to be watching with multiple people on one device at home, you will select one device. If there's people in your house that might be watching one upstairs on a computer and then the rest of the family downstairs and you'll be using 2 devices, you would then select 2 devices. But just a quick reminder, if there are multiple people in your house watching the show and you're all watching it on the same device, you will only click one device. Please double check before you click checkout to make sure that you have selected the correct date and time because there are no exchanges or refunds for our performances. So please double check to make sure that this is the exact date and time that you would like. Once you're ready, you can click the checkout button. And a reminder will pop up that this is a scheduled content show. What that means is that you will only be able to watch the show during the scheduled time, and you won't be able to fast forward, rewind, or pause when you're watching the performance. It's basically like a live production, except you're in the comfort of your own home. One quick reminder, you will receive an email with a link following your purchase. Only one device can use the link at a time. Meaning, if you decide that somebody in your family would like to continue watching the show upstairs on a separate device, but you only purchased one device link, unfortunately, it will only work on the one device that you started the show on. If you try and load it on 2 separate devices, it unfortunately will not work. And then last but not least, on the right-hand side, it will talk to you about how much or how many tickets you've selected. So please make sure that the correct number is also on the right side. If this is incorrect, you can X out and take away any extra tickets you might have added on. There is an additional show ticks for you fee that gets added on to the price of the ticket, which this would be your overall total, and you can pay for it online. If you are interested, there is an opportunity to make a donation to the Caruso Middle School musical program. As many of you know, last year we were unfortunately unable to have our production due to the coronavirus. It got canceled on the day we were supposed to open, and donations are greatly appreciated because it helps rebuild our program and put on the big productions that most of you have hopefully seen in the past. And if you have not seen, we hope that you will be able to join us hopefully next year for an in-person performance as well. Donations are never expected, but they are always greatly appreciated, especially this year, given that not every single person purchases a ticket, which we do usually base our income for the next year, our budget for the next year, based on our ticket sales, concession stand sales, and active participation as well in our fees. So if you would like to make a donation, please feel free to enter that information here. And then you can choose the shipping method, which will be email because it is a virtual production. And then you'll be able to check out more payment information about if you'd like to use your debit card or credit card will be available after you click checkout. Again, I'd just like to remind you that there are no refunds or exchanges, so please double, triple check before you complete everything to make sure that you have the correct date, the correct time, and you have the correct amount of devices selected. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, you can reach out to the Show Ticks for You people. They have a wonderful chat available on their website, or if they cannot help you, please feel free to reach out to me as well.